Monday morning hasn't been super eventful so far. Tyler's pretty much living with us now.
Hey Noah.
Hi. Crashed on my skateboard on the way to Revelator. There's a hole in my backpack from it. So that was exciting. Lots of stuff to accomplish today. Spanish test. No me gusta Español. It is truly a beautiful, beautiful morning. Temperatures have been so wonderful around here. It's been like cooling off for fall. And then today it's gonna be like 87 degrees. But I'm headed to volleyball right now. It's a Tuesday, so a lot of work to do. You're late with me though.
I'm just glad I actually got up this time.
Yeah, just like in his nose.
He just gave me that for free. This day has been really long and full of lots of hard work. And it continues to be as I prepare for this speech. We have to give you some other garment. Put on your robe.
How do you solve a problem like Maria? How do you catch a cloud and pin it down? Oh, how do you solve a problem like Maria? How do you make her stay and listen to all you say? How do you pin a...
Today's Thursday, little update. My photo has fallen. Going to get lunch with Nathan. Hunt. We just got done printing for photo. Our art teacher had this gallery. She was showing her pictures.
Wow. Just
wow. Wow.
Hello. You don't have this Band-Aid on?
Yeah. Where are you putting it?
My finger. Represent.
Gigi, how you feeling about your speech?
I want to die. I'd rather not take this. Do the speech right now.
I'm done with classes for break. Now I gotta pack.
What's up, dude? How's your day been?
You know, it's been great.
How so? Where'd you go? Hey! Don't be antisocial.
I was just gonna set my... Okay.
Antisocial Larry, what are you doing?
Hi, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Airport. Made it to the airport. Have a good day. Headed to the gate.
Dude, how's Fort Worth, ladies and gentlemen? I'm like, oh, you have a roll, boy.
Good morning. I'm in Waco for the weekend. Oh, this is so happy.
So vloggers, now we're gonna take a look at what Hanson is doing right now. What is he doing? He's spending time with the good Lord. That's my man. Ladies, always look for a man who loves the Lord, because he's gonna be the best.
You know where? Come to like the furthest
Farmer's market
like by where.
with Sydney.
Thank you for this fun.
You are most welcome. Do you have fun? Yeah.
Yeah, it's like literally perfect time.
Oh, what's up?
Oh.
What's up, vlog?
Update us on your life, Ryan.
Well, I'm currently living in Austin. Got a couple shows coming up. Got a music video coming out made by this guy. And church plant that I'm helping with is starting tomorrow.
They're just really.
This is Hayden.
Okay, hi. What's up, dude?
After living here for 2-3 years.
I've got to do it.
We're back at Sydney's house. We're grabbing some lunch. Oh, it's gonna fall. Grabbing some lunch before we head to Dallas. Ah. This is the hotel we're staying at one night with Sydney's parents. We just went to the state fair and it was a blast. I think they're just gonna shower and then we're gonna go to dinner at some nice place. So, one night in Dallas. They're not here yet, so we're waiting for them to get here.
One of you on the roll away and one of you. Get her done.